Is CenturyLink a good option for internet? Well, if you're looking for a great fiber plan, you're in the right place. However, fiber plans are only available in certain areas, and CenturyLink's DSL plans aren't nearly up to par. I'm Riley with Switchful, and let's break it down. We rank our internet service providers on value, performance, equipment and installation, and customer experience. CenturyLink offers two different plans, depending on your location. The more common option is their DSL plan, but this plan is not of great value. Speeds for DSL sit at about 15 to 100 megabits per second. Now, the DSL plan is reasonably priced, but not for the speed and services you'll be receiving. The fiber plan offers faster speeds for the price tag you'll pay. Fiber plans offer near gigabit speeds of up to 940 megabits per second. Overall, fiber is more reliable, and we highly recommend going with CenturyLink's fiber option if you can. CenturyLink installation is more or less on par with competitors. You can have a professional come out and do the installation for around $130 to $300, and there is a $15 charge for self-installation. CenturyLink also offers the ability to purchase their modems for around $200, while renting the equipment sits at $15 a month. We generally recommend not purchasing a modem and going with renting the equipment. If you live in an area wired for CenturyLink fiber, you might qualify for free equipment rental and free self-installation. Now, one thing that does bring CenturyLink's rating down for us is their below-average customer support that frustrates users. This is largely due to complaints about the lack of responsiveness. CenturyLink hires personnel from all over the country, so some inconsistencies are expected. That said, CenturyLink redeems themselves a little bit with the easy-to-use support page. We gave CenturyLink a rating of 3.8 stars, while customers gave it a rating of 4.1 stars. What are your thoughts? Is CenturyLink a good option for you? Why or why not? Let us know in the comments below. If you want to learn more about CenturyLink or other internet service providers, check us out at switchful.com. We'll see you next time.